Hey kids, welcome back. So this is again a question from laws of motion. Okay, so there's a train. Okay, let's draw an old fashioned train engine. Okay, so it's having a velocity 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, so it's having a velocity 10 kilometer per hour and it is accelerated from 10 kilometer per hour to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, in time 2 minutes. Okay, so the question is how much distance does it cover from this point to this point? Okay, what is the distance? Find the distance. Okay, so it's accelerated from 10 to 40. Okay, this is u, this is v, we have got time t, we have to find distance. Okay, distance means s. Okay, so let's do it, and let us assume that it is a straight track. Okay, it's traveling in a straight track. Okay, so in case of straight track, distance is equal to displacement, so we can use the formula for displacement, right? Okay, so what are the formulas which we have got? One is v equals to u plus at. This is 3 kinematical equations, right? The second one is s equals to ut plus half at square. Third is 2as equals to v square minus u square. Okay, so we will use these formulae. Okay, let's convert time in minutes to hour. Okay, how can you convert minute to hour? Divide by 60. So 2 ones are and 1 upon 30 hours. Okay, so time equals to 1 upon 30. U is given, v is given. Okay, so let's find out first acceleration. Okay, so what is acceleration? We can use this or a modified form, v minus u upon t. What will be acceleration? What is v? What is v? What is v? 40. What is u? 10. What is time? 1 upon 30. So it is 30 upon 1 by 30. This goes up, multiplies. So a equals to 900 kilometer per hour. Okay, so it's super fast. Okay, it's very fast train, right? Okay, so after getting a, what we are going to do? The question was that find the distance. Okay, so in the formula for distance we had a, so that's why we found out a first. Okay, so now use any of these formulas, any of these. Okay, doesn't matter, I am using this one. So s equals to ut plus half at square. S we don't know. Okay, u I know, 10. What is t? 1 upon 30, half. What is a? 900. Okay, t square, so it means 1 by 30 square. Okay, so this is gone. 1 upon 3. Okay, so 1 upon 2, 900. 1 upon 30 square is what? 30 square is 900. 900 once and 900. So it's 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. We can calculate this. The 2, 3 and 3 to the 6. Right? 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1, 2 and 3 to the 6, 5 by 6. When we divide 5 by 6, you can get the answer. Right? 0 point something, 0.83 kilometers. So this is the distance which will be traveled by this train. Okay, so I hope you got it. Practice well.